It was there when you woke up. No reason, no warning, just that weight, already sitting in the chest. The mind went searching, found something, named it, said, "This is who you are." But wait, how do you know you are feeling this? Because you are in here, watching it. I am not the weight I carry. I am the one who feels it. Something here is watching. Something here is still. I am not the fear inside me. I am the one who sees it underneath the noise. I have always been here. Even on the hard days, even when it stays too long, even when it feels like all there is. Something in you is still watching, steady, quiet, untouched. That something has never been anxious, not even once. Not the storm, the sky, not the noise, the silence watching by, not the weight, the one who holds, not the fear, the warmth that never grows cold. Relax your shoulders, relax your belly, relax your heart, and simply notice. I am in here, watching this. I am not it. Even here, even now, something in me is not afraid. Even here, even now, I can feel myself coming home. Singer says, even in the middle of an anxious mind, something comes in from behind. A quiet steadiness, an energy that was never in the noise. You will know it when it arrives, because it will feel like yourself coming home. I am not the anxiety. I am the one watching it. It may be loud, but I am not it. I am the one who noticed it arrive, and I will be the one who watches it leave. Not the weight, the one who felt it. Not the fear, the one who watched it. Not the storm, the sky. Always here, always watching. Always here.